Hi, we are going to see about the introduction of the software. So this is the display screen that will be getting displayed when you open the Creo Parametric 2.0. So you'll be having the basic tools like new, open and select working directory, everything like the same tools which each and every software will be having. So when you open it, you can open a file or you can create a new file using this. And here you have an options where you can go and change the properties of your system. For example, think of the version. This all it is getting displayed over here. And for the assembly part, what is the color and the backup, everything you can check it one by one. So think of sketch constraint assumption. If you line up vertically, it will take you vertically, and it will, and the number of decimal places per dimension. If you change it to 3, it will change it to 3. So these are some of the properties of the software where you can change all the properties. For example, entity display. So default geometry display is same. So when you change it to hidden line, it will change it to the hidden line. So these are all some of the properties. To keep as it is, don't change anything. If your RAM speed or some other speed is very low, then you have to change some of the commands. Okay, and so this is the basic screen how it will be looking like. And here you will be having a folder tree. So folder tree is mainly for whatever things you open, it will be displayed here. And if you need to open a file, for example, think of if you have saved a file in the F drive or C drive, so you can go to this and you can open it. And working directory, you can set the working directory also. Here you will be having the screen. You can close it if you need it or not. And here you will be the information will be displayed over here. So whether you do or you are not doing, so it will be displayed. So if I am opening it, so here see, welcome to Creo Parametric 2.0. So this is the setup, and the first thing, as you open Creo Parametric 2.0, what you have to do is you have to select the working directory. So working directory is nothing but whatever the part you are going to draw, it will be saved here. So I am clicking the select working directory and right click new folder, and I am CAD paths, clicking or click it OK. So I created a new folder called CAD parts in the desktop, and I am clicking OK. So now whatever file you draw, it will be saved in the CAD parts. So this is the starting setup of the screen, and when you click new, you will be having 3 types of drawing. Main thing, 3 parts you are going to draw. One is the part, the second is the assembly, and the third is the sketch. So sketch, part and assembly. So if you need to draw a sketch, you can select a sketch. If you are going to create a part, you can select part. So on here you will be having a subtype. It is solid or sheet metal or bulk. Then click solid. So part, and if you need a part name, you can click the part name. So I am writing it as part 1, and the common name you can use. So make sure it is not ticked here. So remove it, use default template and click OK. And then MMNS part solid, that is Newton seconds. That is the standard template which you are going to follow. And if write your name if you need it, model by or description. Then click OK. So you will be having the tools over here. Sketch tools and extrude, revolve, shape, blend, all the tools will be displayed over here. And here you will be having the model. Whether you can select the plane here, right, front, top, and select here, top, right, and you can select it anywhere. So you think of I'm going to draw a part, then click on the front plane and then click sketch. So these are the 3 planes, and this is the reference axis which is displayed. Sorry. So front plane, and I have given the sketch, and what you have to do is here you will be having a sketch view, or here you will be having a sketch view. So if you click the sketch view, it will be back to the original position. Now you can draw a part whatever you need. So here you will be having line, rectangle, circle, arc, ellipse, line, and editing like trim, modify, mirror, everything, delete segment, and for constraints, vertical, horizontal, perpendicular, everything will be having. And here you are having the dimension. So while drawing the part, we will select one by one. These are the basic tools which you are going to draw. For example, think of a rectangle. You need to draw a rectangle. So I am drawing a rectangle. So right, clicking this and click. So it is user friendly. One can select. So think of, if it is shaded yellow only, then you can extrude, or else you cannot extrude it. And after that you can do the dimension. Then I am giving it as 50. Here I am giving it as 100. And here I am giving it as 50. Here I am giving it as 200. So now I have drawn a rectangle. So think how I have drawn a rectangle. So likewise you can draw a circle, line, everything. And we have to click OK. So now I have drawn a rectangle in the front plane and I am giving extrude. So if I give the extrude, you can create a solid part. So this is how the part is created. And think of, I am extruding it for 100 mm. So 100. And it is extrude from the center plane. Think I have to extrude on both the planes. I have an option here. So extrude from both the planes. The plane is here and it is extruded on both the sides. So that is the main advantage of this option. And then you can give OK and the part is created. So this is how you have to create a part, simple part using Creo Parametric 2.0. The main objective is that you should be clear with all the tools which is displayed here. So one by one, if we draw the part, we'll be able to understand what are all the tools we are going to use it for creating a part. So in next class we'll do the list of exercises. Thank you. Click OK. And then finally we have to save it now. So save or save as. So if you give a save, automatically part 1 is saved in the CAD lab parts.